Hey, what's up guys? Ant here, and today we're going to learn how to make a simple gradient text effect in Photoshop. Alrighty, only thing we have to do, open up Photoshop and let's pull up some text here. I already have mine made. So now our next step is to make sure we got it how we want it. I think this is straight enough for this right here. And now what we'll do, let's create another layer and head on over here to our gradient tool here. Hit G on the keyboard, and now we can just draw a line how we want it. Start from about right here or so. All right, that looks good. Now what we'll do is we'll go over here between our layer plush and the gradient and click Alt and click, and there we have it. Now we can see our work here. Let's angle this a little bit. Okay, that looks good. Okay, now what we'll do is we'll double click on our text layer here and head on up to stroke, and let's see, the stroke is about 4 pixels. Okay, that looks good. And here's our color here. So if we want to change it to whatever we like, that would be fine. Hit OK. And the only thing we have to do is add a background and we're ready. Add the background like so. And that's it. That's it. So ladies and gentlemen, that is one of the quickest and easiest ways to make a gradient text effect in Photoshop. Like always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.